Oh dear friends, how are you? Are you fine? Have you finished your breakfast? Okay, are you ready for the 16th class? What is the today's class? This is 16th class. Okay ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್, 1 minute ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಎರಡು ಉಪ್ಪುಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪಿಸಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರೆಡಿನಾ? So in the last class I have given some homework regarding with how to find sum to n terms of the arithmetic progression. Is it? Have you done it? I hope that one or two problems may appear to be difficult. I will solve that one in the next class. Okay, shall I continue? Now let us take some more problems on what do you call it as sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. Now let us take the first problem, today's first problem. What is the today's first problem? How many terms of the AP how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636. Dear friends, go through the problem, read the problem 1 or 2 times until you understood the problem. Is it right? Let us go through how many terms of the AP 9, 7, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636. What is the meaning? Can you say what is the meaning? How many terms you require to add in this AP to get this sum? What do you call it as 636? Then what to do? Let us collect the informations which are given in the problem and write down it first. Is it? So now look, how do you start? Write the AP. What is the AP? 9, 17, 25, etc. Is it right? Now, let us say what they have given. The first term is 9. The common difference, A2 minus A1, 17 minus 9. How much? Can you know? 8 ala? Nodi? Sarina? Right off. And next, what you require to do? You require to find out n. N is what? One more thing they have given. What is this? Sum of the terms. We don't know how many terms, but we know what is the sum. Let us take it as 636. Is it? Now we know A, D, and sum, and you see you want to find out n. Students, we are having two formulas regarding with sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression or series. What is that? Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula when you a, d and n are known to you. And then next one is Sn equals n by 2 into a plus an. An means what? Sometimes we say last term L, A plus N, you can also take it. Is it right? So now you see A, T, N, we don't know. SN or no? You see A, D, SN. You require to find out this N. Take this formula. Why can't you take it? We don't know the last term. We have not seen what is the last term. So therefore, you cannot take this formula. Take this one. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Have you taken it? Now substitute all the values that you know in this formula. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sn you know how much? 636 is equal to n is what? We don't know. Take it as it is. 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 into what is d? Students, 8 it is. Is it? Now next step is 636 is equal to n by 2. What is it? 2 9s are 18 plus, you see 8 into n, 8n plus into minus, minus 8. Okay. Now 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8. How much? It is 10 plus 8n. Is it? Now what to do? What shall I do? Nodi, is it possible to take any common factor? I'll talk about common factor. How much you will take? 2, you know. Take out 2 as common factor. 636 equals n by 2 into, if you take 2 as common factor, it will be 2 5s are plus 4n. Is it? So now these 2 and these 2 get cancels. Divide it. 2 1s are and 2 1s are, it cancels. Now take, what is that? 636 is equal to n into 5, 5n plus 4 into n, 4n square students. Is it? 4n square. Now what to do? Let us write this one in the standard form of trinomial expression. Write this one in the form of trinomial expression. What will happen? Nodi, it will be 4n square plus 5n. When you bring this one to right hand side, it will become 636 equals 0. Is it? Sarina? Nodi, iduna trinomial expression nalli ನೀವು ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಆಗತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿ n terms. When you multiply the n terms, what is that? 636 into 4, it is minus, multiply. How much you will get the product? Go through it. Multiply by 4 6 are 24, 2 left, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14, 1 left, 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25, minus 2 5 4 4. Find out the two factors. Nodi, the minus bandidalla makla. When you got the minus as a product, find out the two factors such that difference should be equal to middle term. Difference should be equal to middle term. What are the two factors? Can you say now? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಬ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೋಡಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. SN equals ನೋಡಿ 636 equals 5n plus 4n square and then 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals 0. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 636 into 4 divided by and then product is minus 2544 and find out the two factors. Here it is n squared ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n squared ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಜೊತೆ n squared ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, n squared ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now take here 2544, factorize it. If you don't get the two factors easily, let us go for the factorization method. What do you do? 2 ones are and then 2 twos are 1 left, 2 sevens are 2 twos are again, 2 six are 2 threes are 1 left, 2 six are, is it? Next 2 threes are here 2 ones are 1 left, 2 eights are, and then ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 even number ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ 2 ಇಂದಲೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 ones are 1 left, 2 fives are 1 left, 2 nines are. ಈಗ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ 2 ಇಂದ, ಹೌದಾ 3 ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15 it goes. Let us take 3 fives are 3 threes are 53. ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ 53 ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 53 minus 48 how much? 5 got, you see how much? 5 got here plus, therefore what? So now multiply this. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48 into 53. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? 53ರಲ್ಲಿ 48ನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Is it right? So we take what? 53 into 48. Two factors. Here it is n and here it is n. Now you see, when we got the minus here, I told you, the difference is equal to 5. Difference means what? Difference means what? You have to take opposite side for these two. That is, one is plus, another one is minus. Which is plus, which is minus. That is decided by the middle term. What is the middle term? Plus. That should be taken to the greater than. ಅವೆರಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಉಳಿದ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಅಂತ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636. What I did here? Can you say? ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಇವೆರಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಥ ತಿರುಗಾಗಿ ಇದಂತ ತಿರುಗಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಥ ತಿರುಗಾಗಿ ಬಟ್ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, we cannot take any as the common factor, only numerals we cannot take the common factor. HCF of 4 and 53 is 1 itself. Now we see n squared and n is n, take out n as a common factor, then 4n plus 53 will be left out here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತಗೋತೀರಿ? ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ HCF ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 48 ನ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು, 4 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ 12 as common factor. 12 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಯಾಕೆ 12 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ? ಈ 48 ನ ಎಷ್ಟರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್. 12 4s are 4n minus ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 12 ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 12 5s are 16, 3 left, 12 3s are 36 equals 0. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಸಾರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 2 3 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇದೇ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯುನಿಟ್ 4n plus 53 it is a common factor. Remaining is here n minus 12. You see like this, n minus 12. This is the classical. ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದ ಸರ್, ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 0. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ? ಎರಡನ್ನು 0ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ? The product is 0. Product of the two terms is 0 means one of the term must be 0. We don't know which is 0. Therefore equate. What is that? 4n plus 53 equals 0. Or what you say? n minus 12 equals 0. Is it right? Now take this is 4n plus 4n equals transfer 53 to right hand side. It is minus 53 or n equals plus 12. Nodi makla, I told you, in the previous classes, n is a natural number. It should be always a positive because it is a counting number. Understand this? Since it is a counting number, n should be always positive. Since you are getting negative, neglect this and take this. N equals 12. Therefore, how many times? How many times? What is the question here? How many times? This is 12. Number of terms is equal to 12. You take n as 12. This is one problem, students. It's all elaborate ಅಲ್ಲ. n ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, n ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಲಾಬರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. The second is the first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Find the number of terms and common difference. CD. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Okay, Makla, let us go through the problem and say what they have given. Go through the problem what they have given. The first term of an AP is 5. Here, first term means, what is the first term? A is 5. The last term is 45. Last term means L or AN is equal to 45. It is L. Last term L ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. L is 45 or nth term AN is 45. Next is the sum is and the sum is Sn is 400 and you require to find out the number of terms and the common difference is what? Common difference is what? So now A is 5, L is 45, Sn is 400, N is what? Common difference is what? ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 5 ಗೊತ್ತು 45 N ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು 400 ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ N ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಹುದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಹುದು ಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ we shall take up Sn equals n by 2 into a plus an ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ Sn is 400 is equal to n we don't know a is 5 plus an is 45 this is 400 equals n by 2 into 50 2 in the 50 divide by 2 ones are 225 are so what 400 equals 25n cross multiply n is 400 by 25 n is how much n now 25 ones are 25 15 left 150 it will become 25 6 are n is 16 ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ n ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ an ಗೊತ್ತು an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d these are all the problems which are combination with nth term and sum of n terms like that an equals a plus n minus 1 into d an is how much 45 equals a is 5 plus n minus 1 into n ಗೊತ್ತಾ 16 ಯಾರು ಬಿಡೋಣ 16 minus 1 into d 45 equals 5 plus 16 minus 1 15d bring this one to this side 45 minus 5 equals 15d is it right so now how much 15d is equal to 40 then what is d d equals 40 by 15 5 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 5 ones are 5 3s are 5 8s are d equals 8 by 3 is it okay na magla it by the d value is 8 by 3 in this way we can calculate the number of terms n is 16 number of terms is 16 and common difference is 8 by 3 because last time bari words number of terms n equals 16 common difference d equals 8 by 3 these are the two values understand okay shall we pass on to the next problem okay makla togoli ಬೇರೆ problem Take next problem. ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ yes the first time the last terms last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಸಿ ತಪ್ಪರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. 350 respectively. Respectively. If the common difference is if the common difference is 9, how many terms are there? How many terms? How many terms are there? And what is this? And what is their sum? And what is their sum? So now what? Let us go through what they have given in the problem. The first and the last terms of an APR easy ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So now A is 17, L equals AN equals 350, and if the common difference is 9, D equals 9, how many terms are there? N is what? And SN is what? ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ a ಗೊತ್ತು l ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ d ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ n ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಯು ನೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ a equals 350 n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ SN ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ n ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ AN equals 350 AN means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 350 a is 17 plus n minus 1 into d is 9 equals 350 now what ಈ 17 ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17 subtract n minus 1 into 9 350 minus 17 10 minus 7 3 and then here it is 4 14 minus 4 minus 1 is 3 and it is 2 sorry 3 is again 333 cross multiply n minus 1 is 333 by 9 how much 9 ones are 9 3s are 27 what is this 9 3s are 27 6 left 9 7s are 63 and you get n minus 1 as 37 n equals 37 plus 1 n equals 38 now find out the sum Sn equals n by 2 a plus an and Sn is n is 38 divided by 2 17 plus 350. Then Sn is divide this 38 by 2. 2 19s are 350 plus 17 is 367. Multiply here 367. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 367 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ how much you get 6973. that is the sum. That will be the sum. That is the end of this class. Sorry, this problem. Let us take next problem. Take next problem. What is the next problem? Find the sum of first 22 terms of an EP. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an EP in which D equals 7, and 22nd term is 149. 22nd term is 149. Now let us take this problem. Let us and board also to ಓದಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So now find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which what they are given, D equals 7 and A 22nd term is 149, and what is this? S22 is what? First 22 terms S22 is what? ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು? AN ಗೊತ್ತು, D ಗೊತ್ತು, N ಗೊತ್ತು. N is what? 22. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? A ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. A ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ A ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ A is must. ನೋಡಿ A ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. A is what and afterwards you have to go for S22. A ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Take this minus A22 is 149. An is A plus N minus 1 into D, and A22 is equal to A is, we don't know, plus 22 minus 1 into D is 7. Now A22 is 149 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1, 21 into 7. Is it right? 21 into 7 how much? 149 equals A plus 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Is it right? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So then what? A equals, bring 147 to this side, 149 minus 147, it is how much? 2. You got 2. Is it right? You got 2. A has 2. Find out S22. Use this formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus. This formula ಬೇಡ, elaborate. So even formula ನೋಡಿ, n by 2 into a plus an. So this is n is how much? 22 by 2 into a is 2 plus an is how much? An means A22 is 149. So this is yes 22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 151. 2 ones are 2, 11s are. Yes 22 is 11 ones are 11, 1 carry, 11 5s are 55 plus 1, 56, 1 carry, 11 ones are 11 plus 1, 12, 1 2 6 1. 11 ones are 11, 1 carry, 11 5s are 55 plus 1, 60, 56, 1 5, 56, 5 carry. So 11 ones are 11 plus 5, 11 plus 5, how much? It is 16. 1661. This is S22. Next problem is find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. First 51 terms add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, sum ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? They have given first term and second term they have given. Is it right? Let us take what they have given. A1 is second. A2 is 40 and A3 is 18. A2 is 40, A3 is 18. What is S51? What is S51? Now to find this sum we require A, D and N. N is 51. N is 51. We want A and D from these two. Nodi, first D calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. D is A3 minus A2. Third term minus second term is D. It is 18 minus 14. It will be 4. A calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ in the term A equals A1 equals subtract A2 minus D. A2 minus D is how much? A2 is 14 minus 4. This will be 10. A equals 10. D equals 4. N is 51. Find out sum ಮಾಡಿ. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S51 equals 51 by 2 into 2 into a is 10 plus 51 minus 1 into d is 4. So this is 51 by 2 into 10 to the 20. 51 minus 1, 50. 54 is 200. Is it? This is 51 by 2 into 220. Divide it. 2 ones are 2 11s are 0. Multiply by 11 ones are 11. 1 carry. 11 5s are 55. Is it right? So 0. 5510. ಸರಿನಾ ನೋಡಿ 51 zeros are 0, 51 ones are 1, 5 left, 51 ones are 51 plus 5, 56 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Five, 6, 1, 7. 5, 6, 1, 0 like that. Multiply ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the last problem, today's last problem. What is today's last problem? if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Find the sum of first n terms. So, here is our problem. Go through this problem. The sum of first 7 terms. S7 is 149. Next, S17 is 289. What is Sn? Now S7 is 149. Sum of 7 terms. Use that formula Sn equals n by 2. The formula Sn equals n by 2 to 2n plus n minus 1 into d. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. S7 is 149 equals 7 by 2 into, so what is that? 2a plus 6d. Is it? 149 equals 7 by 2 into, take out 2 as common factor, so what will happen? A plus 3d. Is it right? 2 to get cancels. Bring 7 to this side. What is that? 149 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. Divide by hey ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಹೇಳಲೇ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. This is 49. Is it? This is 49. This is 49 and this will be 49. 7. A plus 3d equals 7. This is one you got. A plus 3d is 7. Next step this is S7. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S7 equals n by 2 into 2a plus 17 yes. 17 minus 1 into d. S17 is 289 equals n by 2 into 2a plus 16d. Again take out 2 as common factor here. N is how much? 17. Okay. This 17 we cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ 289 by 70 equals 1 by 2 into, take out 2 as common factor here, a plus 8d. One chunk ಎಗರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 17 ಇಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 17 ones are 17 17s are 2 to get cancels. What is that? A plus 8b is equal to 70. You got two linear equations. You got two linear equations and simplify. Now for A and B, for A and B, now consider A plus 8D is 17 and then A plus 3D is 7. Subtract. So these two get cancelled. 8 minus 3, 5D, 17 minus 7, 10, D equals 10 by 5, D equals 2, divided 5 ones are 5 twos are, D is 2. After finding D, you find A by taking any one of the equation. Is it right? I will take here again. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a plus 8d is equal to 70 a plus 8 into 2 is equal to 17 a equals 17 minus 8 2 is 16 a equals how much 1 a is 1 and then D is 2. What is Sn? Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn equals n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus D n minus 1 into D is 2. Substitute that value. Here Sn equals n by 2 into among these two 2 is common. Take out 2, here it is 1 plus n minus 1. Take out 2 as common factor. 2 ಇದೆ 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 ಉಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus n minus 1 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Sn equals n into n square. This is the answer. So ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೂತು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಶುರುವಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.